Hello, and welcome to a new video. In this part of the section, you will learn some sustainable farming practices. First of all, I would like to talk about implementing eco-friendly and resource-efficient methods. Sustainability in poultry farming means reducing resource consumption and minimizing environmental impact while maintaining profitability. Key strategies include: first of all, consider energy efficiency. Use energy-efficient lighting, such as LED bulbs, and install solar panels to reduce reliance on non-renewable energy sources. Implement automated climate control systems to optimize heating, cooling, and ventilation. Then, water conservation. Implement water-saving technologies, such as automated water management systems and rainwater harvesting, to reduce water usage. Regular maintenance to prevent leaks also contributes to efficiency. And lastly, sustainable feed. Opt for organic or locally sourced feed where possible to reduce transportation emissions and support local agriculture. Use alternative protein sources like insect meal or algae to reduce dependence on soybean and fish meal. Now, let me share some of the strategies to reduce environmental impact through waste management. Proper waste management is crucial for minimizing the environmental footprint of poultry farming. At first, consider manure management. Regularly collect and compost poultry manure to prevent the release of harmful gases like ammonia. Use composted manure as organic fertilizer for crops, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. And for litter management, use absorbent materials like wood shavings or straw for bedding and replace them regularly to maintain hygiene. Recycle used litter by composting or converting it into bioenergy. Let's see a real-life example. A poultry farm in Cornwall implemented a sustainable farming system that included solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and composting. By reducing energy and water consumption and recycling waste, the farm lowered its operating costs and achieved certification as an eco-friendly business. I believe this part of the section has helped you know more about sustainable farming practices. I will see you in a new video. Good luck.